My name is Alejandra Sanchez-Franks, and I am the team lead for SORTED. Future projections using climate models suggest that the Atlantic Subpolar Gyre is moving towards a collapse. Unfortunately, the current state of our ocean observations and climate models is simply too limited to determine how likely this collapse is going to be in order to accurately forecast it. As ocean and climate scientists, we observe the front line of our current climate crisis, and we see its impacts on the ocean on a daily basis. We also have a really detailed understanding of the shortcomings of the model-based climate projections, the uncertainties in their predictions, and the limitations in the observations which have not yet captured a tipping point. What's been really exciting with the RAF Forecasting Tipping Points program is that for the first time there's a unique opportunity for the community to come together using outside-of-the-box approaches to address these gaps in our understanding of the subpolar North Atlantic tipping points. We can then use this new knowledge to improve our understanding of the Subpolar Gyre's longer-term decline or potential collapse. SORTED is going to fundamentally improve our ability to detect and monitor the early warning signs of a subpolar gyre's potential collapse. And the way that we're going to do this is by pushing the spatiotemporal limitations of the existing observational records using a novel combination of artificial intelligence and tipping point knowledge from the climate models. We're also going to identify gaps in our ocean observations so that we can make recommendations for what is still needed to observe in order to build robust early warning systems for a potential subpolar gyre collapse.